Hi guys, welcome back to Loop 91. Today we will learn how to add an email account to ServiceNow instance. Now, for a while, ServiceNow has stopped including emailing in and out functionality of its personal developer instances, and they have their reason for it. We are not going to get into those. What we will do today is we will simply see how to enable it and how can we use a Gmail account in place of ServiceNow accounts. So for now, we'll simply go to email properties and we need to enable email receiving for first. The process for sending is very similar to this one. Today we will cover how to receive email and you can use the same process to enable sending as well. So we will add Gmail account to it, but Gmail does not allow at this moment to add your normal Google password as username and password. So for example, if I were to create a new email account here, and let's say we will add Gmail as a provider, POP3, and since we have this here, let's see what are the details that we need to put into. See all settings, forwarding and POP. It will provide you configuration instructions and the incoming server would be op.gmail.com. Let's copy that. Let's go here. The server is this. It will be active. The username would be our email address. That is, let's copy that as well. Password is something we'll come to. We will set a security SSL TLS since that is what Google requires it to. Port will be 995. Let's put that 995. Now, Gmail does not allow you to use Google password for being used as a POP account. What they need is that you create an app specific password, and we will do that now. Now, since I need to put a name on it, I'll just use the name of the instance, that is dev. We'll create this account, and it has now created a password for this. So we'll copy this password and put it here. We will reveal the password and remove the spaces from between the password. And I think that's it. Once you add this, now let's go back to properties. Oh, we need to do one thing before that. We have an related link option here that allows you to check the connection. It will check connect with Google server and see whether it works or not. It says connection successful. Good. Now that we've tested it, let's try and send an email and see whether it shows up here or not. This is done. Let's go back to our Google and let's send an email to ourselves. Okay, that's my account. This is an test email. Hello and send. That is now in a send folder. Good. Okay, now we will go to our email folder. And before we go there, I'd like to show you something. So when you go to email properties, it gives an option to go to email diagnostics. If you click on it, it will give you an overview as to what part of email is working or not. For example, we have not enabled sending email, so it clearly says that this is disabled. But one thing I really wanted you to see is that it actually allows you to see when our emails pulled. So for that, click on email reader job and it will show you when the email would be next pulled. It You can configure this. For now, it pulls email every 2 minutes. You could do it every minute if you want, every 30 seconds if you want, but suggested value is 2 minutes. Now, if we go back to our emails and if we click refresh it, uh, we have our email. It has already shown up here. It was received just now. So yeah, any email that is sent to that email address, dev123680.snow@gmail.com, will show up within this email account. And you can use this for creating flows, workflows, business rule, inbound email action, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.